Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan. Well guys, actually I'm going to tell you something important that might help you all who are struggling with Ielts. Some of you are struggling in life actually. Ielts is your life and you're struggling in life and you want to achieve certain things, and sometimes morally, ethically, spiritually, emotionally you feel down and you feel low and all that. Well, let me tell you one thing, and always remember, your present is never equal to your past. If you look at your present, you in 2019 and you back in 2015, back in 2010, right? If you are old enough, back in 2005 and all that. So your present is always greater than your past. If you are struggling in life and if you are working hard and all that, and even by default, even if you don't have a goal to achieve and all that, by default, your present is always bigger than your past. In the same way, now you are trying to do Ielts, you are practicing Ielts, you plan to go abroad, you want to study abroad, you want to get immigration, you want to get permanent residence, you want to go to UK, USA, Canada, America, Australia, New Zealand. You are doing all that. Why? Because you want to prove this, that your present is always bigger than your past. 2019, this year, this day, this very moment when you are watching this video, soon it's going to be past. And after a year, after 2 years, when you're going to be sitting in Canada, when you're going to be working in Canada, when you are in New Zealand, you'll be enjoying a Sunday on the beach, when you are in Australia, sipping your favorite drink in a mall and looking around Australian people and all that, then you're going to realize, yeah, in 2009, I was in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and now this is 2020, 2020 or 2021, and look at me, here I am. So that's true. Your present is never equal to your past. Your present is always bigger than your past. In order to make it big or bigger or the biggest, that's the amount of struggle which you have to put. If the struggle is smaller, it is going to be only big. And if the struggle is bigger, in present, if the struggle is bigger, your future is going to be bigger, and then you are going to say it's going to be bigger than your present. So present is the time to mold your future, to change your future, to do something. Now see, at the same time, just take a look around in your family, right? In your neighborhood, there will be some people who are not doing Ielts. There will be some students who are not preparing for Ielts. There will be some students who don't want to go abroad, but you want to go abroad. You are practicing Ielts, you are watching videos, you are taking practice tests, you are going to coaching center, you are doing all that. That is what I call effort and struggle. Now you who is doing all that, and they are just sleeping, normal studies going on, eating, playing cricket, enjoying. So after 5 years, do you think both of you will be at the same level? Absolutely not. Your future is going to be far better than the student who is now just studying, eating, playing, focusing studies, and who is not planning to go abroad and all that. So guys, the purpose is you need to work very hard because you are making your future. Remember one thing, whenever the farmers cultivate the crops, before cultivation, before sowing the seed, they have to work very, very hard. They have to smooth the land, right? Then they have to do certain activities on the land before the land is ready for sowing the seed. And once the seed is sown, again, farmer has got more responsibilities, more duties to perform. The farmer has to water, then they have to use certain pesticides and all that. And once the plant is going to come out, there is more responsibility, and once there is the harvesting season, that's easy. The farmer is going to get the result of his struggle. So for you right now, it's the cultivation season. Very soon, harvesting season is going to come, and remember, you will only harvest what you are sowing today. That's why present is a piece of land. Whatever you sow today here, tomorrow that will turn into a gigantic tree, or that is going to give you the reward of whatever you are doing today. So if you sow a seed, after 2 years, after 1 year, after 5 years, you'll get the result of that. And if you do not sow anything, definitely you are not going to get anything in the future as well. That is why you should take this opportunity. Your present is your opportunity. Whatever you do here, that is going to bring you in life in the future. So you need to work hard, and Ielts is one of the things. Ielts is one of the key things. If you are going to sow a good seed today, you are going to harvest a good crop tomorrow. And if you sow a good seed, the seed is good, but there is no effort. There is no struggle. You don't take care of the seed. You don't tend the seed. You don't water the seed properly. You don't save the seed from the rain and from the sunshine, extra sunshine. Then the seed is going to be spoiled, and that seed is your life. Your life is your responsibility. So whatever you do in life, that is your responsibility. Wherever you reach in life, that is just going to be because of what you are doing today. Whatever you do today, you are going to see that tomorrow. And if you don't do anything, then definitely you are not going to see those things. Then again, sometimes when some people come from foreign country, for example, very soon, when after 2 years you return from Canada, and your class fellows, your other friends, they come to meet you and they say, we used to play marble together. We used to play cricket together. We used to do this thing together, and they don't know that was only one thing you used to do together. But you who has come from Canada, you did many other things that actually caused this thing to happen. Remember, in our life here, on this planet Earth, there is always a cause and effect. Now, those who are not going to go abroad, those who are not getting the visa, those who are not getting good bench score in Ielts, there is a cause behind it, and that is the effect of that cause. And what we guys do, we just focus the effects. We always want to get good effects without good causes. Remember, that is not possible. If I want to cook something, I have got to put certain ingredients. Then that dish is going to be ready. For example, if I want to eat chicken with rice, and I say I want to enjoy chicken with rice, but I'm sorry, I cannot bring the chicken. The shop is too far, so I'll cook it without chicken, and I'm going to cook chicken with rice. And then you say, well, I'm afraid I don't have the rice, but I want to eat chicken with rice, so I can cook it without rice. That's what we guys are doing. Many ingredients are missing from our lives. Hence, as a result, we are unable to enjoy our favorite dish. All of us have a favorite dish. That favorite dish is what you want from life. We've got the favorite dish, but ingredients are missing, and as a result, we are unable to enjoy that favorite dish. Once you take care of the ingredients, once you take care of the cause, effect is understood. If I work hard, if I make videos, if I'm honest with my profession, and I'm going to get the result. My channel is going to boost one day. My channel is going to have more subscribers. That is the result. That is understood. And if I only take care of the result, and I don't take care of making good videos, improving the quality of recording, improving the quality of content, improving my knowledge, and I'm only looking at number of subscribers and say, they are not improving, I don't know what to do, they are not improving and all that. So every cause has got an effect, and you got to focus the cause. If Ielts is a nightmare for you, if Ielts is something difficult for you, you got to see what are the causes and how to cause 8 band. How to cause 7 band? Believe me, those who get 8777, there is a cause behind. There is a reason of getting 8777. Without reason they can't get. So you need to see what are the causes, and you have to complete all the ingredients if you want to enjoy your favorite dish, means your favorite life. Thank you very much. I really wish you all the best. May you get everything in life. May you achieve every goal in life, and may you get good bands in Ielts as well. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay? And I have a Facebook page, Asad Yaqub Ielts. You can like my Facebook page as well. Thanks a lot. I wish you all the best, and please do something. Cause something today that is going to bring prosperity in your life tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.